Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the quick fix where your SOUNDCORE LIBERTY 5 are very quiet. So actually here are some solutions. The first thing that you need to maybe change is that you shouldn't listen to music at the highest possible volume. I know that you may think, but I like it. Yes, I like it too, and I've been listening on the highest volume that's possible on my Earbuds too for a very long time. And now I think that the volume level is lower than usual, and no, the volume level isn't changed, your hearing has changed, and yes, you may just think that your earbuds are not broken, but they aren't, your hearing is. You can change it, by the way, you can check that, by the way, in the app, the volume measurement level, etc. So this is the first thing. And the second thing that is here is that your headphones maybe just discharged. So if your headphones are having the low battery level, charge them to 100% and check if it works. If it isn't, turn off your phone before this turn on Bluetooth. Forget your earbuds from it, and the same do with your earbuds. This should help. Then pair your earbuds back again and everything should be working fine. If it isn't, open the case lid. Here we have this button. Hold this button for 10 seconds and you should be able to see the white strip blinking 3 times rapidly, like that. It's factory reset. Now you have all these settings resetted, but everything should be working fine now. If it still isn't, you need to contact device support because your device may be broken. I think that the issue is placed maybe in the volume limiter, that is here in the app, but you need to check that too. Goodbye.